How to hire with TestGorilla. Follow my instructions. If you want to hire smarter and faster, TestGorilla lets you test skills before interviews. Here's how to use it step by step. Go to testgorilla.com and log into your account. If you're new, create an employer account for free. Once logged in, click on Create Assessment. Give your assessment a name like Sales Role or Developer Test. Then select the job role or create your own custom test. Now choose the skills you want to evaluate. Now click Next and write your intro message to candidates. Then invite applicants by email or copy the test link. Candidates will take the test from any device. Once they finish, you'll get results in your dashboard. TestGorilla shows scores, strengths, and weaknesses, so you can shortlist the best talent quickly. You can even compare candidates side by side and download full reports to share with your team. That's how you hire smarter with TestGorilla in 2025. Thanks for watching.